My name is Myra, born and raised in Arizona. I'm an at-home baker. I love baking. I was in a car accident a while back. I was coming home from work. I was turning left and the person was coming from the other direction. They didn't T-bone me, but they hit the back of my car. And so my car went flying forward. Airbags deployed, everything. I had to go to the hospital. I was fine, but the thought of having to go to the hospital and being taken to the hospital, it was super stressful in that time. That was like my first accident, and I really didn't know, I didn't know what the course of action was. That's when I decided I probably need an attorney. So I was referred to Canyon State Law by a friend. And when I called, to my surprise, I got somebody very pleasant. Her name is Fabiola. She's a paralegal there, and I thought, with all the knowledge she had, I just figured she would have been the lawyer. She was super helpful, responsive. Anytime I had any questions, she would get back to me in a timely manner. It was never problematic. So at which point I got to meet with Thomas, and he was super helpful with everything. He happened to know everything about my case. I don't know if it was with everything that was passed on to him, but he knew everything about my case. He was able to work with the insurance company. He was able to get me a rental and not have any problems. I have to worry about, how am I paying for this? Where is it happening? And it was all so seamless to where I had to do very little compared to what I've heard through friends' accidents. That's not really heard of. So he's been super duper helpful, and I've been very blessed and very happy that he's been able to help me. I would recommend Thomas and his team to any of my friends, any of my family, extended friends with a car accident. Once everything was a wrap and once everything was over with, and I knew that I can actually move on with my life. I got 2 kids at home, so it was definitely very easy to just pick up where I left off from because of how great Thomas took care of me. Him and Fabiola, they just made sure that it was very seamless for me. That to me was such a relief.